All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be doing an IEM unboxing of the Kiwi Ears Fortenza. Now, these are some hybrid IEMs, as you can see, and I got these from Amazon this month. I think I got them like 2 weeks ago. I got the page open right now. They're $59 even. You can save $6 off with a coupon. Let me see how many. Okay, so you got one balanced armature and 2 dynamic drivers. So let me get my big unboxing knife out and open this up. Look, I tried to open it up already. Now, these are the blue joints. They come in 2 other different colors. Let's see. You got blue, you got black, and you got purple. Let me try and get these up out of here. Let me take a good look at them so you can see them. Ooh, they're lightweight. Oh, okay. Yeah, these kind of look like the Audio Legacy 2 IEMs I reviewed a while back. These look nice. And as you can see here, if you can look in there, there's a dynamic driver. And there's the other dynamic driver. They're both kind of sandwiched on top of each other. And then you got the BAs right near the nozzle. So there's a BA right there and the BA right there. And you got all the wires and circuitry. Here's a circuit board right there with little capacitors. Here's the front. These look good. I like the way these look. These look really dope. And they're really lightweight. They're not heavy at all. These are very lightweight. Let's see what else we get in the box. Safety guidelines, warranties. I don't need that crap. I wasn't expecting to get no case. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So all the cable and the silicone tips are going to be inside here. Let me get rid of all this stuff out of the way. Okay, let's open this bag up. Yep, here's the cable. Let's see. This is a 3.5 millimeter cable. All right. Let's take this, unfurl this. Does it come? It doesn't have the little thing so I can attach to the cable. That's cool. The cable, it's kind of thin. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of thin. And I just put it in a knot. There. But it doesn't have any memory to it from what I can tell. Pretty basic cable. I'd like to get something, I don't know, a little thicker. It's not too bad. Let's see how many silicone tips you get. Oh, you get a bunch with Kiwi Ears. Okay, you get some black ones. And you get, let's see, some medium bore ones. I don't know. Those look like a wide bore. And then you get these right here with some type of a red core. So you're getting plenty of good accessories. And you're also getting a carrying case. Although, I don't know. Let me put these in the bag here. Okay, let me close it. Okay, it'll close. Let's see what it looks like inside of the bag put together. I got this thing all tangled up. Let's see. This is the left. Yeah, usually you have like an L for left and an R for right. You don't have that here, but it's... Okay, blue. So I'm assuming this is left. So I'm going to put this on here like so. There we go. And this one is marked red, so I'm assuming this is the right. So I'm going to put this on here like so. All right. Now, I'm going to do a little roadie wrap before I put silicone tips on there and see how it all fits into a little carrying case. Hopefully it fits. So I want to know whether or not it's going to be like sticking out. Okay. I just put it in there like that and zip it up. Okay, it'll fit. It'll fit. It doesn't look like it does because it looks like really flat. But it'll protect your IEMs from dust and dirt getting on them. Pretty decent case. This, in my opinion, I would have picked like a better cable. You know, something like on the 7 hertz JoJo right here. There's some more IEMs I haven't reviewed yet. I like this cable with the strands. I think this is a 4-strand. I like the 4-strand cables. They just feel more robust to me. But this one's okay. If you want to, you can change it out. Ain't no big deal. I'm gonna choose the black ones for these. Also, this is an unboxing. It's not a review. I'm just checking them out to see how they look. It's been a while since I reviewed some Kiwi Ears inner monitors. Let me see. I'm gonna try and pick out the medium without taking out all of them. These look like medium. Okay, those are really, really big. Wait. Let me see. No, I did not. I think I got the small instead. I failed. Wait a minute. The medium and the small look like... Wait. Okay, these look... Okay, that's a small. Alright, so this one right here in between the large will definitely be... What is it, a medium? That's a small. Okay, I got the right ones. Alright. Put those back. Don't need them. Let me see how they fit in the ear. And put these on here, see if they stay. You don't have like a nozzle. You just have like a neck that kind of like fans out a bit. Just be aware of that. And you see like the tubes. If I can get that to show up on camera. I don't think I can. You can. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. But it has like 2 little tubes in it. Yeah, the way the sound will come out. I kind of like the traditional nozzle with the mesh grill on it. Let's see here. They are comfortable in the ears, and because they're so lightweight, they don't hurt. But only time will tell whether or not I get any type of ear fatigue with these. But yeah, they fit comfortably. Do I have a dongle anywhere? I have. Yes, I do. Let me listen to some music right quick. I'm gonna use my 7 hertz right here. I'm gonna open up my music app. Okay. Since Lupe Fiasco's birthday was, I think it was Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna play some Lupe. No! What's going on here? Let me see if it's bassy or not. It sound good. It has some bass. Let me see. Let me try and play something else. Yeah, these might be, I would say, a warm neutral set. What are the odds I get one that's exactly like the cadenza? Because it's not really a lot of bass. It's there, but it's not like right front and center. Yeah, I hear the bass drums in the background, but it's not like boo. It's like boop. Okay, Santana sounds clean. Santana sounds clean though. Not a bad sounding set. Let me go to something else. Let me go to Tears for Fears. Let me see. Yeah, these might. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend these if you're a bass head. Just with the few minutes I have with them, they're definitely focused on the mids and the treble. Let's see. What else? Let's see. Okay, let me hear some. Let me hear some rap. Yeah, this song right here, it's got heavy bass. And like I said, it's more sub bass. It's not that up front. But Mr. Michael Winter, winner of the Grammy.
That you get too old, you can't tell me it's too late. You can't tell me dreams come true. It is a sweet, it is a sweet, it is a sweet. I'm
The vocals is right up front. I'm liking what I hear so far. I'm liking what I hear so far. It would appear that Cadenza is more focused on, well, this is my second set, so I can't really say for sure what kind of company. Most companies, when they make IEMs, it's V-shaped or this bass. This across the board. Like every new iteration of IEMs they come out with, it's always going to sound the same. Kiwi Ears, though, is surprising me. Sub-bass focused. I wouldn't say that they're balanced, because even when you have like a balanced set, the set is balanced, you get some emphasis on bass. There's no emphasis on bass with these. And that's not a bad thing. That's not a bad thing. All that means is you're going to have to choose which music library you have. So if you got like a lot of rap music, these probably ain't going to be for you. And this is just, listening to music just for a couple of minutes. This is the first time I've used them. I don't really know that much about them. And they kind of sound like I'd say like a neutral set. These are like neutral sounding. But let me do my testing on these a little further and put them through their paces. Let me listen to my music library, listen to some jazz, listen to some live music, some acoustic music, and I'll give you the full rundown. But this has been the Kiwi Ears. What is it called again? Fortenza. This is just an unboxing, first impression. This isn't my full review, but it will be coming. My name is Septian. If you're new here, click subscribe, click that bell icon so you're notified when I post new videos. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.